The International Criminal Court is now in session. Ludian sila Court Penal International, 8 to work.
The 22nd prosecution witness was one among 4 witnesses compelled by the court to give their testimony via video link from Nairobi. Instead of offering his testimony as scheduled, however, the witness through his lawyer presented a raft of reasons why he was not in a position to testify as yet.
The doctor has stated that the witness has some ailment. Based on that doctor's finding, it may not be advisable for him to go through the rigors of trial at this point. The other reason why we're not ready to proceed at this particular moment, Mr. President and the Honorable Court, is that we've not been provided with a statement that the witness is said to have given to the prosecution. That is despite the fact that in their first communication to us, the OTP did promise to avail all such necessary documents.
But the prosecution team and the victim's representative found it difficult to believe the witness, noting that they only learnt of his health status last week.
At no stage did the witness inform members of the prosecution that he was undergoing any treatment or that he was feeling unwell.
The witness claims the alleged confiscation of his travel documents may have contributed to his distress.
His travel documents were taken away from him and only returned this morning, just before this session began.
It is standard practice for all witnesses who are to travel to The Hague that they would have to submit their visas to VWU for the purpose of obtaining a visa.
But why was that necessary in this present circumstances where the witness wasn't traveling to a Schengen region?
The witness was due to rendezvous with the Victims and Witnesses Unit on the 10th in order to commence travel to The Hague on the 11th of August.
Either way, the witness instructed his lawyer to request for 21 days to allow him and his lawyers adequate time to prepare. The chamber directed the Victims and Witness Unit to obtain a second opinion on the witness's health status.
We are currently conducting the vulnerability assessment by a VW psychologist and via video link, so we should be able to report back to you on the fitness of the witness to testify soon. So the assessment is conducted at the moment and would include the potential risk of further psychological harm for the witness if he were to testify. In addition to that, and considering the certificate that were provided to the VW, the medical certificate, we will address the witness to a specialist. In Kenya, we are currently trying to have an appointment in due course in order for another certificate to be issued for the witness.
The judges are expected to make a decision on the witness's request tomorrow. Sylvia Chebet for Monday Special.